Unveiling Mexico's ultimate luxurious getaways for 2024. Explore the opulent charm of Los Cabos, a unique paradise where the stark beauty of the desert seamlessly blends with the azure expanse of the sea. This luxurious destination offers an unparalleled escape, where every moment is a brush with the extraordinary. Discover the hidden treasures of Riviera Maya, where luxury intertwines with the untamed beauty of nature. Here, ancient ruins whisper tales of yore, pristine beaches beckon with their turquoise embrace, and lush jungles promise adventure, creating a sanctuary for the soul. Experience unparalleled luxury in Punta Mita, where exclusive resorts and pristine beaches offer a haven of peace and relaxation. This jewel on the Pacific coast is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, promising an escape that is both serene and indulgent. Dive into the glamorous life of Cancun, where world-class nightlife and stunning accommodations redefine the essence of luxury. Every moment is a celebration here, amidst the breathtaking beauty of white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, offering an unforgettable experience. Revel in the historical luxury of Mexico City's Polanco, where chic boutiques and gourmet dining await at every corner. This elegant neighborhood is a blend of culture and sophistication, offering a unique glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of Mexico's capital. Indulge in Tulum's serene opulence, where eco-chic resorts blend seamlessly with the breathtaking ruins of ancient civilizations. This destination offers a unique combination of relaxation and exploration, inviting travelers to unwind in luxury while connecting with the rich Mayan history. Enjoy the lavish lifestyle of Playa del Carmen, where Quinta Avenida is the heart of shopping and vibrant beach clubs pulse with energy. The lively atmosphere, coupled with stunning ocean views, makes every moment here an unforgettable blend of excitement and relaxation. Unwind in the exclusive enclave of Costa Careyes, a hidden gem where colorful castles meet private bays. This luxurious escape is defined by its artistic architecture and secluded beaches, offering a unique setting for those seeking tranquility and beauty in equal measure. Discover the opulent charm of Los Cabos, a place where luxury and natural beauty intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Here, the majestic landscapes of desert and ocean meet, offering a unique backdrop to the world-class resorts and impeccable services that define the area. Explore Riviera Maya's exclusive Allure, a gem that shines with sophistication and serenity. This stretch of Caribbean coastline is famed for its stunning beaches, ancient Mayan ruins, and luxurious accommodations, providing a perfect blend of cultural richness and modern convenience. Unveil the secrets of Punta Mita, a secluded paradise reserved for the elite. Nestled on a private peninsula, its exclusive resorts and pristine beaches offer an unparalleled level of privacy and luxury, making it a preferred escape for those seeking tranquility and opulence. Experience the vibrant luxury of Mexico City, where culture and opulence blend seamlessly. The capital city is a bustling metropolis filled with historic landmarks, gourmet restaurants, and upscale shopping, all coexisting with the vibrant energy and traditions of Mexico. Relax in the lap of luxury at Cancun, a haven of high-end resorts and pristine beaches. Known for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant nightlife, Cancun offers an ideal mix of relaxation and entertainment, making it a top choice for luxury travelers. San Miguel de Allende, a colonial jewel nestled in the heart of Mexico, offers a unique blend of history and luxury. Its cobblestone streets and vibrant facades hide upscale boutiques and gourmet restaurants, making it a sanctuary for those seeking refined elegance. Tulum stands as a testament to the seamless merging of ancient culture and modern indulgence. Here, amidst the mystic ruins and the azure waters of the Caribbean, luxury resorts offer an escape where tranquility and opulence coexist, inviting travelers to indulge in a lavish lifestyle. Playa del Carmen, with its chic vibe and pristine beaches, epitomizes exclusive opulence. The destination is a magnet for those desiring a touch of extravagance in their getaway, featuring high-end shopping, sophisticated dining, and nightlife that sparkles under the moonlit sky. Nestled between the Sierra Madre Mountains and the Pacific Ocean, Puerto Vallarta offers an enchanting blend of natural beauty and refined luxury. In Cabo San Lucas, where the desert meets the sea, luxury is redefined with breathtaking resorts and unparalleled ocean views, embodying true elegance. Cancun blends pristine beaches with ultra-modern amenities, creating a haven for those who desire sophistication amidst the natural beauty of the Caribbean. Isla Mujeres offers an intimate retreat, boasting serene beaches and luxury accommodations, making it a jewel for discerning travelers seeking quiet elegance. Tulum captivates with its bohemian flair, offering exclusive boutique hotels and eco-chic resorts nestled amidst lush Mayan jungle and azure Caribbean waters.